What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and I'm back with another Target dollar spot shop with me as promised. So let's go ahead and see all of these cute things that we didn't have a chance to look at last time I went live in Target. First of all, I have to say that I am really in love with this little kitty mermaid unicorn girl. I think she is so adorable. All of these little fashion angel notebooks are $3. So we have the kitty unicorn. We have the flamingo inner tube. The cute little narwhal. The super cute can't touch this cactus. Let's see what else. I felt like there was one more in here somewhere, but maybe not. I think that's it, you guys. These are $3 each. It's really super kind of flimsy and bendy, and the paper is not lined. It's just plain white paper, and you get how many sheets? I'm not even sure how many sheets of paper, you guys, how many sheets we get, but these are all super cute, and they're all paper on the back. So kind of a rubberized plastic on the front and then paper on the back. I think she is so cute. Her and the cactus have to be my favorites. And along the same lines of this cute little kitty mermaid unicorn girl is this cute little notebook for $1. And they do come with stickers. I love the piñata. I love the little narwhals. They're all just so cute. And these are sort of pre-printed pages that you can color in or write on. They're really cute. So we have it in this one. And then we have this here, the little bunny. And the bunny is actually lined paper. And then we have this one with the flamingo. Oh, and there's some cactus stickers in there. Oh, these are so cute. I really like the green print. And then we also have the little narwhal. The narwhal is so cute. Again, they all have stickers in the front. And it's like graph paper, and also it's printed in pink. Gator is with me here, and he is currently holding an umbrella over my head. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these back, and then we'll look at some other things from this line. I'm noticing things in this dollar spot that I didn't even see at the other dollar spot, and I think that's just a real important reminder that they're all so different. But there's a really cute display right here of some things that I didn't see, and these are all just $1 items. So down here, these really caught my attention. We have these cute pins. Again, these are just $1. Really cute. And then we have some little erasers here, and you get 6 erasers. This variety of jelly beans really matches the jelly stickers, the jelly bean themed stickers that I got at the other location. Then we also have some little sticky notepads. And again, these are all just $1. Aw, look at these. This matches the stickers in this book here, in the Hoppy Easter one, where we have the skateboarding chick. And then you guys, we have these cute little washi tapes here. You guys have probably seen these. Let's see, where's the one that I got recently? These are some new ones. These are all new. The narwhals, the kitty. What else do we have? We have the flamingo floaty and the unicorn floaty. Pineapples, unicorns. These are all so different. I haven't seen any of these yet. We have the Easter themed ones, and it says hop. And then we have this one here with the cute little lambs, which would perfectly match the little lamb sticker book. Yeah, these are all really cute. Oh, and then the last one is this one. I think this is the last one, and this is the one that I have. And these are actually tape fetty, which I think it means they're a little more plasticky than paper compared to regular washi tape. But these are all so cute, and I know we probably don't get much product, but we get 5 rolls for just $1. We have these little poof pens that are also $1. We have them in yellow, and I'm trying to see what the design is on the actual pen. I think it's a bunch of really tiny eggs. And then we have this purple one, and on it are little chicks cracking out of their eggs. And then we have this really pretty blue one, and it's just a bunch of decorated Easter eggs. We also have a $1 pen. The flavors are, and I think this is a scented pen. It says excellent. We have cool beans, crack me up, love you, so smooth, hoppiness, and so jelly. And this is a cute little click pen. I really love the click pens. Oh, and these are too cute. I think these are $3 each. We have the little coin purse in pink, and we also have it in the pretty green, and she's wearing purple glasses here, and I think that's just so cute. Gator is looking at these fedoras. The kids' fedoras are $3. I think that one's too small, honey. We might have to try on another one, huh?
Mama, you try this one. Oh yeah, this one feels good.
That one feels good?
Yeah.
I wanted to come down here and show you guys some more $1 items. We have these super huge scented erasers for just $1, and they are really big. We have the cute little lamb, and we have the bunny. I love that green. We have the skateboarding chickie. And let's see what else we have. We have these cute little birdies, these little chicks hatching out of the eggs. And these cute little bunnies, these are so hard to resist. I saw them in the last $1 spot, and I was like, oh, I don't need them, but I really like them. And then we have some grow eggs here that are $1 each. And I think we have some chickies. Looks like here at this store, most of them are just eggs. We have some different colored eggs. Oh, we have a bunny. And these are kind of cool because they look kind of flat. But we have some really cute Easter items here. They even have some squishies down here. We have a squeezable. It's a little turtle. And all I'm seeing is the turtle. And to be honest, I think these might be out of place, but I'm not sure. We have the ice cream. And that's it. Just the ice creams and the turtles. And again, I think these might be out of place. I'm not really sure. I'm trying to show you guys mostly things that I didn't show in my other shop with me. Some of you have been hauling the LOL doll stamps. Oh, and this is my first time seeing them. I have this one. This is little Beyonce. And we have the crown and the bee. Let's see if we have any others in here. Most of these are Tsum Tsums. Num Nums, Shopkins, what else? I thought there might have been one more LOL doll. Oh, this one? No, that's the same one. Ooh, these are cute over here. I love this little decorative banner. I love the holographic lettering. And we have some cute little pom-pom trim. Very cute. This is 60 inches long and it's $3. I love the color scheme. I love the pink. It's a very creamy pink. We have pink, orange, green, and yellow, and just a really pretty, brightly colored stripe egg here that I like. And then we also have a nice little Easter banner with Easter bunnies, eggs, and chicks. And we have a nice little variety of banners going on. Oh, look at this one. Cute. And we also have this one here with the bunnies. Oh, these are so cute. And then these ones just say Happy Easter in the felt. And we have some little $1 bunnies here in pink and in blue. Look at that sweet little face. And then we have a variety of eggs. And these feel like sort of a plastic. This one has a crack in it so you guys can see how thick they actually are. I wouldn't say that they're super fragile, but apparently they're a little bit fragile. And then we have some cute little $1 composite signs. Somebody loves you. The pink bunny again. The carrot, and it's a really pretty creamy orange color. And this one's probably the heaviest so far. And this really matches the egg right here. Well, hey you guys, thank you so much for coming along on my shop with me. If you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you guys haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Bunny Birdy Gator. I love you so much. Yay!